how to install WSL2 and Linux on Windows 11. So if you want to install WSL2 and Linux on your Windows 11, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go with your Windows search and search for turn Windows features on or off. Click on that and just wait for a few seconds. And here you need to scroll down and then find an option of virtual machine platform and Windows hypervisor platform. In my case, both of these are not checked. So if it's the same with your case, then you just need to simply check these two options and then click on OK. Now, after doing this, you might have to restart your computer. So just do that. Once virtual machine platform and hypervisor is turned on, you need to open up your command prompt. Search for CMD, right click on it, go with run as administrator, and then click on yes, and then enter the command, which is WSL space version, and then hit the enter. You need to check your WSL version. By doing this, and to install any Linux version, you need to enter this command, which is WSL space dash list space dash online, and hit the enter. It will give you a list of Linux operating systems that you can install using WSL. Now, to install any of the Linux distributions, just enter the command, which is WSL space dash install space dash D, and then go with any name. Like for example, if you want to go with Ubuntu or Debian. So I've selected this one. Now go and enter the name. Once you do, you need to hit the enter button and it will start the installation process. After downloading, it will be installed. Now after installing Ubuntu, what you can do is press your Windows key and search for Ubuntu or any Linux system, and you'll be able to use it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.